Matter is classified into pure substances and mixture. Pure substances are further classified into elements and compounds that we already have done. Now we will do mixture. Now students, come to the topic mixture. A mixture is an impure substance. Underline, mixture is an impure substance. Elements and compounds are pure substances, whereas mixture is an impure substance, which is formed when particles of two or more elements or compounds are mechanically mixed. Particles of two or more elements or compounds are mixed but mechanically. Underline, mechanically mixed, not chemically. In any proportion. Underline, mixed in any proportion, and they retain their original properties. Underline, retain their original properties. So what is mixture? Mixture is an impure substance formed from two or more elements or compounds which are mechanically mixed, not chemically, and mixed in any proportion, not in fixed proportion, and they retain their original properties. Examples of mixture, like we have blood, tea, cold drink, milk and air. Next students, mixture can be solid, it can be liquid, or it can be in gas state. Example of solid mixture, we have soil. Liquid mixture, example is sea water. Mixture having gas state is like air. Air contains many gases, for example oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and many other. Here in book underline, a mixture can be a solid, a liquid or a gas. First, soil is a mixture of sand, clay and various salts and remains of plants and animals. So, soil is a solid mixture. Sea water is a mixture of several salts dissolved in it. So, sea water is a liquid mixture. Liquid mixture. Air is a mixture of several gases. It contains elements such as oxygen O2, nitrogen N2 and gaseous compounds such as carbon dioxide CO2 and water vapor H2O. So air is a gaseous mixture. Next, properties of mixtures. First property, in a mixture the components are mixed mechanically in any ratio or proportion. Underline, components are mixed mechanically in any proportion or in any ratio. Second point, the individual components of a mixture retain their original properties. Underline, retain their original properties. That is, the identity of elements and compounds is not changed in a mixture. Third property, the components of a mixture can be separated by simple physical processes. Underline, can be separated by simple physical processes such as winnowing. This is winnowing process. Can be separated by sieving using sieve. Can be separated by filtration, or it can be separated by evaporation, this process. Underline, winnowing, sieving, filtration, evaporation and many more. Next property, formation of mixture does not involve any energy change. Means whenever we prepare mixture from different components, energy remains same. Mixtures can be heterogeneous or it can be homogeneous. Now, mixtures which are impure substances are classified into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixtures. In homogeneous, components are uniformly distributed, but in heterogeneous, not uniformly distributed. So, two types of mixtures are underlined: homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Firstly, we will do homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is one in which the components are distributed uniformly throughout the mixture. Underline, components are distributed uniformly. And examples are like sugar solution, salt solution, milk and air. Second type, heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture is one in which components are not distributed uniformly. Not distributed uniformly. Examples, mixture of iron fillings and sulfur powder. Now, to understand more about homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture, let's have an activity. Materials required are water, sugar, or you can take salt, oil, now first of all, mix sugar in water. Add sugar in water and mix it. For mixing, stir this mixture. Till you get clear solution. Observe, did the sugar dissolve in water? Yes. Sugar dissolved in water. Is there any change in the appearance of water? No. Now, mix oil in water. For this, add few drops or few amount of oil in water. Like we have done before, mix this also. Observe, did the oil dissolve in water? No. Is there any change in appearance of water? Yes. So what is the difference between the appearance of two activities? First and second. There is no change in the appearance of mixture in activity 1, while in activity 2, 2 layers of liquid were observed. So mixture is a combination of two or more substances. Can be homogeneous, can be heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixture. Mixture having same proportion or composition throughout. Examples: shampoo, cold drink, ghee, butter, and many more. Heterogeneous mixture, mixture having not uniform composition or proportion throughout. Examples: cake, bread, burger. Now, mixtures can be gas in gas. For example, air, mixture of many gases. Gas in liquid, example, carbonated drinks. Liquid in liquid, example, mixture of lemon juice and water. Solid in liquid, example, salt solution or sugar solution. Solid in solid, example, bronze. So here we have table having mixtures written with their constituents. First, gas in gas. Gas in gas, example is air. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, oxygen and other gases. Air is a homogeneous mixture, same composition throughout. Second, gas in liquid. Aerated drinks. Oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. This mixture is homogeneous mixture. Liquid in liquid. Lemon juice and water. Petrol and kerosene. Oil and water. Petrol and water. All mixtures are liquid in liquid type mixtures. And first, lemon juice and water, homogeneous. Petrol and kerosene, homogeneous. Oil in water, heterogeneous. This right now we have done. Petrol and water, heterogeneous. Next type, solid in liquid type mixture. Examples, sugar and water, sand and water. Sugar and water, homogeneous mixture. Sand and water, heterogeneous mixture. Solid in gas. Example is smoke, carbon, particles and dust and air. This mixture is heterogeneous mixture, not same composition throughout. Solid in solid type. Brass, mixture of copper and zinc. It is homogeneous. Bronze, mixture of copper and tin. Homogeneous. Steel. Steel is a mixture of iron and carbon and is homogeneous. Solder, mixture of tin and lead. Again homogeneous. Gunpowder, mixture of charcoal and sulfur. It is heterogeneous. Define atomicity. Explain the different types of atomicity with examples. Atomicity means number of atoms present in a given molecule. And types of atomicity are like monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic and polyatomic. For answer, open page number 26. The number of atoms present in a single molecule of an element is known as atomicity. And types are monoatomic elements, diatomic molecules or elements, triatomic molecules or elements, and polyatomic molecules or elements. Question number 2. Identify the constituent elements in the following compounds. First compound, calcium oxide. Write on constituents: calcium and oxygen. Oxide means oxygen. Ammonia. Write on nitrogen and hydrogen. Nitric acid. Write on nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. Calcium carbonate. Write on calcium carbon and oxygen. Copper sulfate. Write on copper, sulfur and oxygen. You can also write answer from page number 28. More to know from these compounds. Third question. Write the formulae of following compounds. First is nitric acid. For nitric acid, write on HNO3. Capital H, capital N, capital O, 3. Write 3 here. Then hydrogen gas. For hydrogen gas, write on capital H, 2. Carbonic acid. For carbonic acid, write on H2, capital C, capital O, 3. Hydrogen chloride. For hydrogen chloride, write on capital H, capital C, small l. Copper sulfate. For copper sulfate, write on Cu, capital C, small u, capital S, capital O, 4. For ammonium hydroxide, write on capital N, capital H, 4, capital O, capital H. You can also write from here HNO3, H2, H2CO3, HCl, CuSO4, NH4, OH. Keep in mind, capital letters should be written in capital and small letters should be written in small. Next, question number 4. Differentiate between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. This you will do by yourself. Okay. Difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous. Question number 5. Identify the different types of mixtures. First mixture is aerated water. Aerated water is homogeneous mixture. Oil and water, it is heterogeneous mixture. Sand and water, heterogeneous mixture. Smoke, heterogeneous. Bronze, mixture of copper and tin, it is homogeneous. And gunpowder, it is heterogeneous mixture. This you can also write from here. Aerated water, homogeneous. Oil and water, heterogeneous. Sand and water, heterogeneous. Smoke, heterogeneous. Bronze, homogeneous. And gunpowder is heterogeneous mixture. 2 important points. First point is, the substances like milk, honey and medicines are considered pure, but they contain many substances which are called their components. Second point, milk contains fats, vitamins, carbohydrates, proteins, salt and water, which are its components. The components of honey are fructose, glucose and water. The components of medicine are salts. You have to learn the components of milk, then of honey and of medicines. Next activity, classify the following as elements, compounds and mixtures. We have water, hydrogen, ink, seawater, salt, sand and soft drink. Keep in mind, it is hydrogen, only hydrogen, not hydrogen gas. So this you will do by yourself. Difference between compounds and mixtures. First point, components are chemically combined. Components are combined chemically. Mixture, components are mixed mechanically, not chemically. Compound, components are in fixed ratio or proportion. In fixed ratio. Mixture, they are in any proportion. Third point, components cannot be separated by physical processes. Components can be separated by physical processes. Fourth point, components do not retain their own properties. In mixture, components retain their own properties.